6 years old male, and this is how big our bears can grow into. Yeah. If you are from Australia, you say, oh, this one is like a big size wombat. Yes, they look like wombat. No tail, very stocky, very complex looking. Yeah, two claws.
Oh, two?
Yeah, two of them there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the bear is coming up from the tree. Right in front of you. Oh, Borneo.
Oh, right there. Okay. He's in the tree right there.
Some bears. Very endangered.
This is
More than during the world.
Romolina is a 4 years old female.
This is Wallace Wong.
Yeah, it's right there. Right there. She's going up the tree.
Romolina is just right in front of the
As big as a wolverine.
platform, and she is heading up high to the tree.
It's raining now, so I might have water on my lens, but
Thunders is very arboreal, and what makes them capable of climbing the trees is their claws.
right there in the stump. Another one down there, and a couple over there too.
Great wind from the eastern Pacific that blow to the western Pacific. Eastern Pacific is the south of the
Another one climbing, everyone. Bear climbing. Another one, bear climbing.
Another one climbing down here.
Yeah, I saw. I'm the one that's on.
Eastern Pacific is
I think it's cheap for the kids.
and then during normal year it blows like this, yeah. And then during the El Nino year the headwinds slows down. So less wind that go into the Southeast Asia, including the
There,
I hope that was
there
in my
down
video.
there.
That was in
Bear down there. And there's a bear up in the tree over there too.
We're hoping this one is going to yawn. Brad predicts a yawn with his tongue out very soon.
Look at that guy. It's gorgeous.
It's the same genus as Paleo.
Then we have like
Very similar looking, they're the same genus.
We have 3 bears in the shot here.
I used to miss many birds in the forest. My nightmare would be white belly. No, because I had to take them out from the
Oh, really? I didn't
net,
see.
and it all over, they're so strong.
I feel a little cooler now. Oh, we got bears over there. We got bears behind there. We got a bear up in the tree over there, still up in the tree, checking it out. We had one on the other side. There he is down there. So we got a plethora of bears. Plethora of bears here. We're at the bears here. Everybody's watching it. See all the people here watching the bears here. Okay, subscribe. I'm One Man Travis. Woodpecker. We got 3 bears down there. They were playing around. 1, 2, 3. I'll zoom in on this later. Look, they're right there in front of us there. They're walking along with a log now. There's a straggler back here. There's one there. Rain has stopped. Sun is out. I'm a little damp because I got a little rain on, so I can see the sun bears. They're coming back up here. So, all right, let's go up here.
times these facilities is not yet being established. They're sent to you as well for captive breeding. Oh, be careful. And then Bulan, the young son there was born in San Diego Zoo. Also, the pairs come from Baba. So far, 20, and right now, Honolulu Zoo wants our bears. Yeah. Caucasian, the old-fashioned zoo, and then with good husbandry, with good animal welfare, with good conservation program, we actually encourage it. Because we simply many of our bears are not releasable, you know, and then when they are here, when the bears density add up, it reduces the quality of life over here. If there's too many, I'm a wildlife biologist. I want bears to live in the wild and not even sure.
I'm very quiet.
Nobody has touched our, nobody has seen the
Well, here's our 2 or 3 pugilists down here. There they are, the same guys that were over in the other place.
Very, very good, aggressive, but but this is like play fight, yeah, play fight. 4 years old. These are the 4 years old group.
There's the 2 guys. The 2 pugilists are walking up here. The other stragglers back here. Like maybe he's taking a bathroom break, I think, maybe, who knows. But there's all 3 of them. You can see them plainly. 3 sun bears. This is a different observation tower. We got a guy down there, walking along there. We may lose him in the foliage here because there's a tree coming up. But let's see. Oh, there's another one here too. There's 2 of them. Right down there. Right by the fence. This guy's standing on his hind legs. Nope. Now he's back down on his rump. And they were fed, they said earlier. So I don't know what they feed him, or if they just throw it over the fence, or how that works. Not really sure. But it's like investigating that corner of the fence. Right down there, somewhere in there. I don't know where it's at. Somewhere in that fence. I can't see on the screen here. But they're just down there, looking around, seeing what's what. Hey ho ho. Doing a little scratch there. Yeah. Okay, well, I just got their head in the shade there, which is a smart idea, I would say. All right. Not as good viewing here with all the fences here, so I'm going to head back to the other platform, I think. So that's observation platform 2. We were at 1, so I'm going to head back, give you an idea of these platforms. We're high above here, and they got little placards along the way. Some folks taking a little siesta here, and other things coming up here. Back. Had a little rain earlier. And it really didn't hinder us because we were like in a semi-covered place, although if you wanted to get a good shot, you had to step out in the rain. But it wasn't like a torrential downpour or anything. It was like showered. It's over, the sun's out now, so it's back to being warm. I was sweating like a sweat ball earlier here, and then the rain came. I get these periods from medication that all of a sudden I'll have projectile sweat, it seems like, and then that'll pass. Anyhow, that's a little timely tidbit on the kid here, so I'm sure you don't want to hear about that. So now we're walking back up here, observation platform 1, from whence I came, where we started out. So coming up here, feeling a little better now. And this is where we started out. And we're back up here. This is
Throw the food there.
the old,
Here is a random feeding. Not exactly like orangutan.
oh, the guys are feeding him down there.
And they use natural.
Okay. So they're throwing it over the fence down there, you can see. So, let's go down here. Have a look here maybe. Oh yeah, there's the guys down there. They just threw some over. Now they're walking down probably to a different spot. Different feeding area. And the guys are doing their munchies there. And that's good. Having lunch. The bears are getting fed. Looks like they're eating bananas down there. Looks like the guys had, looks like a bucket of turnips or something I saw earlier, and bananas here. So banana always hits the spot. And so they're more interested in getting fed now. Rain is over, sun is out.